car in formation. Call sign Dirty in the lead. Call sign Beans. That's Lieutenant Shane McLaughlin on the wing of the A10 Louisiana.
We might be switching over and making some new cookies because our last cookies, they spilled everything over. So, I might have to use it all.
They have an indoor pool, mini splash park, fitness center, a fan. And a little victory roll for your demonstration team out of Lakeland, Florida. Here is Michael Wiskus. I hear the sound of that beautiful red biplane. The smoke is on as Michael makes his way to show center. Michael brought to you by Lucas Oil. Like many airshow pilots, Mike's passion for aviation started when he was very young. His dad took him to his first air show at their hometown in Iowa at the age of 10 years old. And that show made an everlasting impression, so deep that at 14, Mike rode his bike to the airport for 2 weeks straight. And he bugged the owner of the airport out there to give him a job washing airplanes, doing something, cleaning hangars. He just wanted to be around airplanes. So he traded his work for flying lessons. And at 17th birthday, he got his private pilot's license. 35 years later, Mike has accumulated more than 24,000 flight hours, qualified in more than 40 different aircraft. Mike keeps a very busy schedule flying for corporate America, as well as keeping a full-time airshow schedule from April through November. He also owns and operates a high-quality aircraft maintenance and refurbishing facility up in Minneapolis, Minnesota. In addition to his corporate aircraft management company, where he manages several corporate flight departments, his real passion is strapping himself into one of the highest seed manufacturers' recommended standards for their products. Look at Michael right down on the deck there as he pulls hard into the sky over Ocean City. The Lucas Oil name is a legend in the racing industry. Lucas Oil products are designed to withstand extreme engine temperatures and high RPMs without oil breaking down or foaming. Lucas Oil products will lower engine temperatures and extend the life of your engine by adhering to engine parts long after shutdown, causing less metal wear during cold start. Above the waves there in the little knife edge pass. You can see how close he is when he passed right by that yellow buoy out there.
And in just a second, he will clear that area after marking it, so flight of the 4 can approach the target. Spiral attack is used to confuse enemy gunners on the ground.
history, talked a little bit about the aircraft.
Oops, sorry.